I'm Daphne Lobo, and I'm a proud alumni of U of T Industrial Engineering class of 1987. My education at U of T really contributed to me achieving my career goals. It provided me with a really solid foundation and knowledge. I actually don't work in engineering, but I use a lot of the skills that I learned every day. Also, U of T has a high caliber of profs, and it has a number of different disciplines like healthcare engineering, which is a real up-and-coming field. So you can start working on something which is going to be, a job or a career that's more looking at the future. Another reason I think it's worth coming to U of T is it's right in the center of a world-class city. So besides, hanging out and doing your problem sets and everything else, you can explore the city and just be part of that vibrancy. So I think U of T is just a great choice for anybody looking at an engineering school. When I was in industrial engineering, I took a year off between my second and my third year, and I did what's called a professional experience year. And I worked for General Motors in their environment engineering department for 16 months. And it allowed me to really see what happens when you get out there and work. And so when I came back to school, it had a huge impact, I think, on my career at U of T, because all of a sudden my courses were much more relevant. So I could apply things straight away, and courses actually became more interesting. One of the reasons that I encourage my own daughter to take engineering is because I found it's given me the ability to take on a flexible career. It's not only what I've learned, but also the credibility that engineering gives you. Once they see your engineering ring, and once you just talk about that, they really understand how much you know and how much you will bring to, working with them. So I would encourage any young woman to take engineering, no matter what field. Even if you think, geez, it's math, it's science, you can do anything after you take engineering. I think students should consider U of T for their undergraduate studies simply because it's ranked the top engineering school in Canada, and it's ranked amongst the top engineering schools in the world. So if you want to learn with the best.